So, quick update. I did get off early because of illness. So that's a thing. And it is raining. So I'm just kind of under the cover real quick because screw the rain. I forgot my fucking orange juice. I'm gonna go inside to get that real quick. Got the orange juice right here. Yeah, orange juice with the cold or whatever the hell this is. Has been a lifesaver, just not on the tasty side, but I'll take it. Vitamin C is worth it. So, but yeah, this rain's gonna be on and off till tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning. So, yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But my inner Seattle, yeah, it's just a steady rain. Someone in California, they'd say this shit was pouring. But nah, that's just because they weak. Anyways, speaking of rain and stuff, got the potential for a tornado outbreak tomorrow in Dixie Alley. I'll be sure to cover that. Yeah, but yeah, I've been sneezing uncontrollably here and there. And there's a little bit of pink in the mucus, which apparently is a sign of some blood. Nothing major, just minor irritation at the nasal, leading to pink mucus. So, yeah. And I'm hoping my father's is wrong on what it is, because if he's right, that's walking pneumonia. Speaking of which, but I don't think it is that. A medical student that works here doesn't think it's that, so yeah. Anyways, stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.